everyone, welcome back to Divyant's Creations. In this video, I'll show how a retroreflector works. First, let's see what's the difference between a retroreflector and a plane mirror. There are two main properties of light. One is that light always travels in a straight line. The second is that when a light ray hits a plane mirror, then the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. A retroreflector is two plane mirrors kept at a 90-degree angle. When a light ray hits the first plane mirror, it gets reflected onto the second plane mirror and then is reflected directly back to the source. To make the retroreflector, I am using two plane mirrors and two foam blocks. I am using a laser pointer to show how the light is reflected back from the retroreflector. As you can see, the light first hits the first mirror and then is reflected back to the second mirror, and because the mirrors are placed at a 90-degree angle, the light is reflected immediately back to the source. As you can see, even if I move the light source, the light is still reflected back to the source. This property of retroreflectors is why they are used as road lane markings, as it helps the driver to see.